Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing a full sew-in install from start to finish, making sure that it's flat, seamless, and natural looking. So let's get right on into it. First, I'm braiding her hair straight back into cornrows. While doing this, I make sure to leave out the back edges to prevent any pulling or bumps, which helps keeps the style comfortable and long lasting. Once I'm about halfway done with the braids, start connecting them together so that there is no braids hanging at the ends. Then I sew the braids down to make the base even flatter. Now that the foundation is set, I'm applying hair oil to keep her scalp hydrated underneath her sew-in. Then I go in with the heat protecting serum on her edges to prevent any heat damage. Next, I cover her hair with a weaving net and sew it down, securing everything in place before I start the install. Now this is the careful part, so pay close attention. I start sewing the tracks in from the bottom and working my way up. As I go, I make sure everything is laying flat and seamless. Consistency is key, so I'm making sure that my stitching is very consistent, meaning that I am taking the needle in and out of the track in the same direction, as well as creating the same amount of space throughout her hair while I'm doing her sew-in. This will ensure that none of her tracks will slip while she's brushing or combing her hair. Once the install is done, I go back to fill in any gaps or make it look fuller. She wants some bouncy curls, so I'm finishing off with styling. Lastly, silk press her natural leave out. Then I blend everything together by curling it for a flawless natural look. And there you have it, flawless sew-in with beautiful curls. You can tell she loves it. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.